Good morning friends. In this video, I will tell you some important days of month January. Let's start. 1 January is celebrated as Global Family Day. 4 January is celebrated as World Braille Day. 9 January is celebrated as NRI Day. 10 January is celebrated as World Hindi Day and National Hindi Day is celebrated on 14 September. Now 12 January. 12 January is celebrated as National Youth Day and International Youth Day is celebrated on 12 August. Now 15 January. 15 January is celebrated as Indian Army Day and 5th January is celebrated as National Tourism Day and World Tourism Day is celebrated on 27 September and 26th January is celebrated as International Custom Day and the last Sunday of January is celebrated as World Leprosy Education Day. Thank you. Please like the video and do subscribe our channel.